こんにちは. New lesson, new year. So, we're starting with this lesson 9. Let's read this sentence together. Repeat after me. 何時に起きますか? もう一度。何時に起きますか? What do you think what 何時 means? So, if you remember, 何 is what, right? And we had 何人 how many people? 一人、二人、三人、四人. So this is people counting. 何枚 You need to write this down. This was a thin object such as papers, t-shirts, anything that flat like plates. 何本 which is long and skinny. If you remember watching the carrot video, to count bon, nanbon is how many long and skinny, like enpitsu, pencils, even fingers. Nanbon desu ka? Nansai is how old, what age. Now, this is nan with the ji. Ji stands for hour. So, nanji is what time. Write this down. I'm also going to ask you to write this one. Okimasu. Okimasu. Yes, that means to wake up, to get up. So, 何時に起きますか is at what time? At what time do you wake up? This is a particle that you will be paying attention to say a specific time. So, at what time do you get up? Write that down. Okay? Okay. 今何時ですか? 今 means now. 今 now. 何時ですか is what time is it? And this is how you say 9時です. 9時です. 9 is how we read this. Number 9, basically 9 o'clock. Let's get going. 皆さん、こんにちは. What's up? Today I am going over part 1 of how to tell time in Japanese. In Japanese, 日本語, time is called 時間. So 時間の読みます is to read. So how to read basically the clock, telling time. Let's get started. First of all, it's very simple to say the hour of Japanese way of reading time. All you have to do is add the number first and add ji. There is a kanji that is the same as this one, 時間のji. But right now it's a beginner level, so I'm gonna skip the kanji and just gonna add the hiragana. So 1 o'clock in Nihongo is 1時. So if that's the case, let's just kind of go over a few of the hour. To say 1 o'clock in a polite manner, 1時です. It is kind of like a completed sentence. 2 o'clock, as you guessed it, 2時です or 2時. 3 o'clock, 3時です 3時. 4 o'clock is somewhat special. Oftentimes, number 4, we have several ways to read number 4. In this case, we read it as 4時です. It's the same way as 4人. Remember how to count people? 1人、2人、3人. And a family of 4 was 4人です。Right? Same. Please don't say 7時です because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, but always it's 4時. 5 o'clock, just normal, 5時です。6時です。Number 7, instead of 7, you have to say 7時です。Once in a while, you may hear 7時です。This is to avoid confusion from other hour, like on NHK, the National Broadcasting Channel announcer or the broadcasters, they may say 7時です just to avoid 7時 from, I don't know, 7時, I don't know, other numbers to clarify. But usually you have to say 7時です. We never usually say 7時です. 8 o'clock, 8時です. Number 9 is another special case, 9時です. So it's going to be the same as 9月です. September is a 9th month, and so same as the hour. 10時です. Make sure the U is small. 11時です. That's 11 o'clock. And top of the hour, 12時, 12 o'clock, either midnight or noon. One small thing, 7 o'clock in Nihongo, as you watch the video, it will be 7時. 7時です. Now, what if it's 7:30 or any kind of half past whatever o'clock? You would say it's not just 7:30 minutes. You can actually put this thing called half past 7 o'clock. It is 7時半. Han, you're going to learn this kanji, and that literally means half. So, half past 7 o'clock is 7時半です. This is an easy way to say 7:30 instead of 7時30分です. All the other hours are exactly the same. 1時半, 2時半. So, whatever hour or clock, you just add 半. Now, if you were to add AM or PM, make sure, just like what you did earlier, AM or PM, 午前, gogo comes before the hour. So if it was 7:30 AM, you would have to say 午前7時半です. If it's 7:30 PM, you're still gonna say 午後7時半です. That's all.